Avocado tacos. Let's start with the seasoned recipe of the Bush's black beans and add taco seasoning, a ripe avocado cut in halves. Take a Roma tomato and chop. Next, we're going to shred up some green leaf lettuce, and we're using a taco blend finely shredded cheese. I love black olives, so I'm going to take a couple of those and slice them up. I like to use the pickled, already diced jalapeno pepper. So now we're going to just build this taco up. First, I'm going to add the black beans, and then I'm going to add that lettuce, sprinkle that taco blend cheese, add the olives, then the pickled jalapeno pepper, that chopped tomato, and above all things, I have to have my sour cream. And here you are, avocado tacos. They are delicious, but I can't lie, I did add a couple of tortilla chips. Now, these are delicious, but I can't lie, I did add a couple of tortilla chips. And they were good. Like, share, follow, and subscribe.